All right, what is up, everybody? If everything is correct, you now see William being very happy, and William should also hear me. That's right, today Marnix is not joining us because Marnix, the grandma of Marnix, is just turning 90, and Marnix would be killed if he was now on stream instead of celebrating with the grandma. So, William, maybe a quick audio check. You can say hello, and in the meantime, I'll look if your audio settings are fine.
Hello.
That was a bit too short. Try it again. You can do
Hello.
it.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, there's also a good chance that the grandma from Monix watches his back because she watches like all the videos. So everyone in chat just say happy birthday to the grandma from Marnix, and also from me, happy birthday, grandma from Marnix. I don't know what your name is, but happy birthday. So yeah, what
Happy
are we doing
birthday.
today? We are releasing Unicycle Pizza Time together with you guys. After which William and I will be doing a short playthrough. And in true indie style, we already have a rough start because we were like, yay, everything is going so well, being very excited. And then our crash analytics just showed like 10 minutes before we went live that there were already errors for builds that the streamer was playing. And we have no clue why or how or what yet. So that's always a fun moment. And maybe also for those who usually watch our live streams, tomorrow it's Byte stream time. We will continue as always, but tomorrow after Byte stream, the usual after party, we have a fun little plan. So, for example, usually we just hang out and chill a bit. Tomorrow I will have a special build for Unicycle Pizza Time, which hopefully works. We will find out tomorrow together. And we will try to play Unicycle Pizza Town with up to 250 people. We won't get there. We don't have that much viewers, but from what I read in documentation, that's the maximum amount of people we could, in theory, support. So I will just crank it to 11, and everyone that wants to play Unicycle Pizza Time with a massive, crowd. And honestly, it's going to be so messy. It probably will break half the time. It's going to be horrible. Yes, there is player-to-player collision. You cannot push yet. We didn't get that in time, but you can at least stand in each other's way and still be annoying. So definitely, if you are wanting to join us tomorrow for this weird experiment, do come and say hi. Same hour, yeah. So Byte stream usually starts at 8 p.m. CEST. It's the usual. Honestly, Marnix and I usually talk for like an hour or maybe an hour and 10 minutes, and then it's like the after party, which is usually a lot longer. I think the longest we've gone in total was over 4 hours. So yeah, come and say hi for sure. Being able to be annoying is crucial for a good MMO. Honestly, you should join tomorrow. There's a big chance that first of all it won't work, but also I cannot imagine we have 4 spawn points. And if we then, for example, just spawn 20 players at the same time, people will be standing on top of each other already. And it's going to be super wonky. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how it goes. If you watch us somewhat frequently and think, Patreon, Marnix, he's a bit too greedy, I don't want to support him, or I'm not working on a project or whatever, another great way you can support us is, of course, buying the game. I mean, it's going to launch at 7 p.m., so in 27 minutes, together we will press the button and we will actually put it live, and that's the best moment to then immediately buy it. And also, if you can, please let a review on the Steam store page after you bought it, because if you watch our channel somewhat frequently, you know that the 10 review mark is when Steam starts actually pushing it itself. So definitely consider that. So I'm going to talking just US, because I think most viewers are from the US. It's $5 normally, 10% large discount, so $4.50. And this time we also were pretty aggressive with pricing in other currencies. So yeah. Does the game use the Steam SDK? Yeah, it does. So, but I'm just going to make a special build because there are some other things I need to tweak, because I want people to still be able to join after for example, the game starts. That's usually something we don't allow, but tomorrow, just for the giggles, we will allow it, so people that join like a couple of minutes later can still join the game. Aggressive pricing means low. I'm sorry. I thought that was clear, but I understand your confusion. Uh, it will be €5 in EU, and then 10% lounge discount, so 4.5. So yeah, we're just going to sit here together for 25 minutes ish, because at 7 p.m. we will press the button together, and I think at that time William and I are just going to have a little fun and show you the game.
Yup.
The Twitch
Yes.
Lord is indeed here. I'm sorry, William. I've been rambling. Always complain about Marnix yapping, but I've been yapping for 5 minutes already. I hope if you wanted to say something, now's your chance.
No, I did see someone ask me my favorite indie game. That one I haven't heard about yet in Gamescom. So just to come back to that, is Kriegsfront Tactics. I got to try it out. Hell yeah for NVIDIA broadcast. Filtering out. Just short plug for them, I guess. I enjoyed the games like XCOM, but with mechs, and I like mechs, so I'm easily pleased.
Okay. William, I have a task for you.
Oh.
Or you can okay. There are two options. You can basically choose. Either you contact the influencer, and give him a bit of feedback. I put in Discord like what I would send ish. Or you entertain chat. You pick.
Can I just open Paint and doodle in it while waiting for?
Is that a valid thing? You actually want to doodle?
No, not really, but I can talk to them about localization.
Okay,
I think.
go for it.
So,
In the meantime, I type some silent.
no, I'm not the underling because as you can see on stream, I'm above Thomas right now. So
I always support him. He needs to be carried.
the game hasn't released yet. It's a bit less than half an hour to go. But what we wanted to talk about was someone has already contacted us like, oh yeah, there's no Spanish translation. Do you want me to translate the store page in the game to Spanish? For that, it's like, sure, if you guys want to do that. Not sure yet how we'll be linking it. But I might link it. I made in Discord new channels for Unicycle Pizza Time. There's a UPT general one where you can just talk about the game. UPT CM is for us to talk about the game ourselves. You've got future requests and a bug post forum, so go there. I'll be linking where you can find the translations that we have in the game, both for the store page and in-game sentences. If you have a language like, fuck yeah, I can translate these to French. I think we have French, but it's like if there's a language like we don't have it yet, I can translate it to it. Feel free to translate it, send it to Marnix, DM him, bugger him with the translations, and we'll add those translations. Yeah.
I'm still typing. You have to keep going, mate.
Oh shit.
This is trial by fire. You had a chance.
You
had a shot to just send the mail, but I'm doing it.
Panic. Share. I can. You guys.
They cannot see your screen unless I press a button.
They can't see it yet. Oh,
they just see you.
Yes. Copy.
And me, of course.
Oh, no, I don't want. Can edit. Can view. Apply.
What are you doing?
Oh,
you're sharing the localization thing?
Yeah.
Maybe explain to people what localizations you already have.
That's a good.
You can Google it real quick if you want.
I will have to check what localizations we have: English, French, German, Dutch, and Japanese, Portuguese, Brazil, simplified Chinese, and Turkish. These files and then worker Marnix in DM with the translations. But yeah, someone has already found the UPT general Discord. If you've got something specific to Unicycle Pizza Time, we now have specific channel category in Discord for it. If you do not see it, you might need to get the playtester role. Yeah. Hey William, did you know Thomas told us he liked you the least? I feel that's a lie.
Yeah, I also feel that's a lie.
Yeah, I know he likes. I'm not gonna go into this.
Now I'm intrigued. Hold up, what is this?
I'm not saying it. No, I'm also not going to finish that thought. That's just me.
What is going on?
Um,
I was listening for like half the time.
yeah, yeah. I hope it earns us 1 million for sure. Pineapple on pizza, yes or no? If you do, I mean, go ahead. It's your, as long as you eat the pizza yourself, I mean, put on it what you want. Just beware you can be judged, but I mean, do what you want. Good night to one that's going to sleep in
This
Thailand.
is the
Is it
worst
midnight?
time to go to sleep. What are you saying? You should say they should stay awake and buy unicycle pizza time in 20 minutes at
It's
lunch.
already gone to sleep probably by now, so yeah, 20 more minutes until you can buy your game. You can also play it after, but just buy it.
Yeah, that's the most important part
Play
for
it,
you.
and then review it.
Yeah,
Review
the
is
review
very
part is really
important.
important. We keep talking
Yup.
about this. I will probably say it like 20 more times this stream.
I
I'm
hope
very sorry, but
I am putting my faith in chat here. I hope we can reach a 10 reviews by the end of the stream at least. That's what I hope for. Yeah,
wait, can you 15 10 reviews by the end we end stream the time we end stream, or
yeah.
what do you say?
At least 10 reviews because
Oh, I
that's
mean
like the
that would be
minimum
really
mark.
hype. I think Marnix will be really satisfied.
Yeah, we need at least more is fine. Don't go to store page. See, oh, 10 reviews. I don't have to review. Keep reviewing. Like doesn't matter how many there are. Just review and review. Yeah. I think we last checked had about 500 wish lists, so not high. But then again, we also just didn't really do any much marketing, so that's to be expected. We're hoping for streamers to catch on, and it's like then we're making the money. I would like to buy your games. Okay, not sure what to do with that information. There is a lobby system. You can just create a public lobby and people can just join. So you don't need to play with friends. You can play it with friends. You can put it on private, so play alone. You can put it on friends only, which I think then only friends can join. You can invite friends directly, or you can just put it to public, let chaos commence as random people join you. Would you like the list within your Steam? I'm not gonna answer that. Why are you trying to put like us against each other? We're a team. We're friends. We're
'Cause do you watch the usual Bite Me streams?
no, not really.
Okay, then that's probably good. Maybe they usually usually I'm always like shitting on you, and they're like, you should shit back, and they're like, oh, he's so kind now. So
I'm too kind. Now it makes you even more like a dick if you shit on me because I'm like I'm not gonna shit on anyone. So it's power move. I've done Souls level 1 challenge in DS in Dark Souls 3, William. I've played Dark Souls 3, but I haven't finished it, so I should first finish it probably. I don't
going to
have
put
time.
you and Marnix in CC. I hope
Probably.
the issue is fixed.
So yeah, it's fine if you can't buy it tonight, if you just buy it eventually. And also if you don't have the money to buy it, don't force yourself to buy it. Like
Yeah, you don't have to buy them. You only
yeah,
do it if you have the available income
if
and
you
if you
have
want to support
if you're
us.
like, oh, instead of going to Burger King one day, I'm just gonna stay at home and buy this game.
Bro,
If you can do that,
in
that's
what
fine.
world do
But
you
if
live?
you're
They
like,
can buy like 2 or 3 copies for one Burger King.
that's also true.
I mean, it is multiplayer, so you
Yeah.
can buy yourself and 2 friends the game instead of going to Burger King.
Yeah. This also, Marnix Norman is like, why are you watching? You should work on your game and such. This is the only time you get an excuse like to actually play a game. We're inviting you to play a game even. You just have to bring your own copy.
Yeah, it's basically the thing. Like tomorrow, it's like I sent the mail, so I have a bit of attention span back.
Perfect.
I was like, yeah, tomorrow let's all play the game together. Yeah, you still need a copy. I'm sorry, guys. I literally, even if we wanted to, we cannot give it because we use Steam networking, so we cannot like make it build specifically for tomorrow. And if you don't have a Steam license, and you boot the game, Steam will say you don't own the game. Screw you. You cannot play this. So, yeah. I do hope that it will not be pretty awkward and it will just be Marnix and I playing tomorrow. That would be pretty awkward. So what happened while I was focused, William?
I I linked the localization. I said the Discord channels are created, and then I just read chat and yeah. And I do not consider myself a better programmer than Thomas. I consider myself a more cleaner program, a more less spelling mistakes. Although now that he uses Ryder and Ryder yells at him if he makes spelling mistakes, it's
We are not sponsored, by the way, by Ryder. FYI.
no. I
We just
wish,
like it.
but
Yeah, I
they
wish.
don't have to sponsor me for me to say I like Ryder.
Yeah,
It's
true,
just
true.
that good.
How much will it cost? $5 normally, but just because it's you, and if you buy it early in the launch discount, it will only be $4.50 because 10% launch discount. It's a
I can.
steal. When is the game releasing? In 15 minutes. Then I will share my
Hey.
screen and we will show you one juicy green button that we will press.
Yeah. Will you be sharing it or? Okay.
Yeah, I'll share that one. I have it open.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. Just I don't need
Oh,
to prepare that.
I'm Becky. Thank you for the sub. Is that your sister?
I don't think so.
Okay.
No. My sister has a different username.
Well, I'm
Which
sorry.
ironically.
Yeah, I'm sorry if you're not the sister of William, but thank you for the sub nonetheless. Exclamation mark price command is pretty hard because we're not just working on Unicycle Pizza Time.
Yeah.
We are still working on Guild Architect. We already released Forge Industry, so yeah.
I wish I could say like what the price is, but I'm
Of
trying
what?
to find where the prices have been put in, so I can't see.
Oh, you want? Okay, I can look at that if you want.
Yeah.
For different currencies, you mean?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll take a look. It's $5 and then 10% launch discount is already set in. So the
like,
next
for example,
7 days, by the way.
sterling, like the British pound.
Yeah,
and such.
I'll take a look.
We have 500 wish lists. Last I checked, I can check.
I
Right now, I know where
haven't
that
really
is.
checked.
It's 518 as of now, but that's also not including whatever happened today, which I don't know if anything happened today. But
All right. For anyone wondering, Unicycle Pizza Time, $4.99 USD, 22 Chinese yuan, 4.99 euros, 4.49 Great British pounds. This is all before the 10% large discount, by the way. 5.99 Canadian dollars, 6.99 Australian dollars, 4.99 yen if you're in Japan, 5,000 Korean won, 200 Russian rubles. Bitcoin is not an option. I'm very sorry. Emirati dirham 15, Brazilian reals. I'm sorry if I butcher your currency name, but that's 12.99. Swiss francs 4.99. Pesos from Chile is 2,699. Colombian pesos 9,900. I mean, I can keep going, but I'm not. It's a very long list. I hope I covered the main ones.
So apparently, she is my sister. So it's another account then, but apparently it is my sister.
So I know your sister better than you.
Well, to be fair, she usually has a different username. So, but yeah, we've got 500 wish lists, and I think you do have to press a button to release manually.
Yeah, you have to. Otherwise, we would have released half an hour ago, because when we created it, it was pretty awkward.
Make sure you can't accidentally forget, like, oh shit, our game actually just launched, and like, oh, panic. There's always a conscious decision.
About that, you know what is really weird? I noticed this like 10 minutes ago. If you go to the store page for Unicycle Pizza Time, it shows us coming soon, not that it's releasing today. While if we go in Steamworks, that's the page where you as a developer manage it. It says public date display. This is the setting that your audience sees is August 30th.
Yeah, but I think the issue is it did say like, oh, it releases in so many hours, but I think it's now confused because we passed the release time that we put in.
Oh, okay, yeah, that might be the case.
And that's probably the reason. Marnix is at a party. So
yeah, Marnix is at a party. His grandma got 90, so wish the grandma a happy birthday. And join us in 11 minutes pressing one button. So we're going to be like, right now we're 162 people. We're all going to stare at one screen, at one person pressing one green button. Isn't this the highlight of your day, guys?
Yeah, and then we just end the stream. It's like, okay, release, and we just leave.
Imagine.
We'll play the game. Maybe Thomas can finally finish it from start to finish.
I won't finish that today. I will not. Seretaura,
Another thing,
Gokusu,
because
and
oh yeah,
Stoti18. Thank you for the follow, by the way.
Seratara is one of my sisters as well. That one I
Okay.
know.
Why are they
I'm
only
just kidding.
following us now? Hmm?
I don't know.
Hmm.
Uh,
Wait, another sister. I don't know the names. I'm so sorry, but one of them was like very early on. It was like one of the worst Prime subs we had.
yeah.
One of the first followers we had. I mean, they need to step
Yep.
it up a notch if they want to compete with the. If the sisters that just did it now want to compete, huh?
I'll like start favoring them in order of how much they've supported me. I'm not going to do that.
How many energy drinks did you consume making the game? Um, I think this month, without fail, I drink at least one every day. And starting Tuesday, I will not be drinking anymore.
No, we're putting on and we're taking him to Japan to like for the what's it called when you're like going on a thing
Detox
to
or
get
whatever.
a detox.
Yeah.
We're just going to detox you for 2 months,
Ah,
keep you on close watch.
Seretara was your sister, right?
Yep.
You should thank her then. Another Prime sub.
Thank you, Sayatara. I can I can come give you a handshake if you want.
I mean, will you do that for everyone that does a Prime sub?
Yeah, I know I won't. Unless Bite Me pays me the trips, but even then, no. But yeah, thanks for the subscription, Floyd SQ.
So, how are you guys feeling? Are you guys excited for the game? What do you? Okay, this is not a question I should ask because I might be triggering some people, mainly Marnix and William. If you compare this game to Guild Architect and Forge Industry, where would you rank it? 1 to 3. You can just spam in chat 1 if you think it's the best, 3 if it's the worst. I don't care what ranking the others are. 11. That's not an answer.
Never let them suspect your next move. For me, it's
you
above,
cannot compare.
It's above Forge Industry. Because
Ooh.
and not that Forge Industry was worse or like terrible. Well, it actually kind of was, but it's just we have learned a lot since then. And Guild Architect you can't compare it because it's not out yet.
Yeah. Okay, but in general, it seems like people share your sentiment, or at least, or think it is even better than Guild Architect. So that means we, in a month, just to put it in perspective, we worked 18 months on Forge Industry. We worked 1 month on Unicycle Pizza Time. Did we become 18 times as good, William? That's the question.
Yeah.
Did we? Question mark.
We learned. I think so. I think more. I think just in general, like knowledge has increased enough to like do more in 1 month than we struggled in those 18. Because there's also 18 months where there's months where we just didn't do anything.
Yeah, true. But and there's also the thing that we had a lot of code that we could reuse already, which is also a very, very big.
Yeah, because I had to look at the audio menu for a minute. I was like, I recognize this.
I like took it, chirurgisch. How do I say it?
Yeah.
How do you say it? Surgically just taken it for Guild Architect, plunked it into Unicycle Pizza Time, and it was like, I hope William's code works. that was it.
So
yeah, the only thing I had to do was the fan, like just make it so there's a possible that a 3D object can have their sound influenced by it. That's it.
I didn't really
we don't have
that
requirement.
Guild Architect yet.
Yeah.
But that's something we can look at.
Will you do a playthrough?
So technically, I have a percentage of code is mine now.
I mean, percentage is, I think, very generous, but sure.
Yeah.
Will you do a playthrough of UPT today as well? Maybe not a full playthrough. I don't know, because the game is not that long, to be honest, but it's damn hard.
I think best I've gotten is 15 minutes so far.
Wait, you finished it?
Yeah,
I've never finished it.
With the actual full thing, I do know I can do better because I was stuck on a jump that was pixel perfect and
but
better.
Damn, you definitely, like, you and Max. Max is a great friend from William, and he's like super into this kind of genre. They played so much, like I spent the day like working, and like I look at like 12 a.m. in the afternoon, whatever,
Noon. Yeah.
noon, and I look and it's like, oh, pile of stuff. Thank you for following. We know that name. Um, but basically, I look at like 12, at like noon, and they're like, oh, they are playing. Cool. And then I wait a bit, and it's like 4 p.m. and it's like, wait, they are still playing. What are they doing? So I think it's a fun
He,
game at least.
he
Also,
pulled an
Pal, thanks
all-nighter.
for the sub.
Yeah.
I mean,
Uh,
in case people,
he's,
if do you want to be known? Who is the legendary Pile of Stuff?
I think it's, yeah, I mean, sure.
He's Max, by the way.
It's yeah, he's
The
the
guy
one
who
that
tested.
took you away basically,
Yeah,
and literally pulled an all-nighter for it.
yeah.
It's just
And
like,
he
okay,
also
it's now 7 a.m.
he also ruined my day at least once. Because like we had like a build and William and Marix and I were like playing, we were having fun. It was like all good and well, and then we had like this notification, like he was playing it, sorry, and it was like, hey, he sent me like footage, and it was like, what the hell am I watching? I didn't know this was possible. He like rebound the jump button to his scroll wheel and so on, and he was like jumping like kilometers high and so on. It was like, what the hell are you doing?
He just broke the game so many.
Yeah,
I
it
think
was fun to
yesterday.
see, but damn, I was like, are you serious? How do you do this? I never found this. Also,
I
Sir
think I said
Hex,
over.
thanks
Oh
for the
yeah.
follow and the sub.
We have done some more work on UPT after the stream from Marnix where he did level things and such, but it's just yesterday I think I sent over 50 messages to Marnix like, oh yeah, this is broken. Oh yeah, this is like missing a collider. Oh yeah, this is wrong. And it's
Yeah.
just like it kept spamming me. They were all like within a minute they were fixed, of course, but it's just he kept finding them. It's just like, okay, sure.
So what did you miss? Not much, but in 3 minutes we're pressing a big green button. It's only 3 minutes left, and then the pizza game is live. And then probably my Discord is going to like make a lot of noise because we have like crash analytics, and we like have an integration with Discord, so we get it in our channel, and then I probably am pretty sad again. But hey, we're almost live, so that's nice.
3 more minutes.
3 more minutes. You will share your screen when you do it, of course. I mean, you guys have to see the big green button, right? It has to happen.
Wishlist amount is still 512 or 14 something.
Yeah.
We have a hype train going over on Twitch.
Oh,
Just
let's
for a
go,
release of a game.
Alessandro. Thank you so much for the
Oh
5
shit.
gifted subs. He's like, I think he gifted like half the subs. By the way, he's a legend.
I mean,
I hope
you
it
have
runs
the
on
money to
Linux or you're
spare.
going to cry. You will cry. But it works perfectly on Steam Deck, so you can run it perfectly through Proton. It's not native Linux, though. Now the notifications for the gifted subs are like going like in my head, like because they're like a small delay, and I hear like 5 times the noise now. It's still
The only
going.
noise I hear right now is just Unicycle Pizza Time music.
Oh
And
no!
I don't even have the game open.
Oh
I just
yeah,
hear it.
the music is
It's
great.
there.
Alessandro is your sugar daddy. I mean, you say that, but it might actually be true because he literally sends like coffee donations sometimes saying, Here's a monster for you, Thomas," and I'm like, "Okay, thank you."
Thank you for the 100 bits.
Let's go.
What
Oh, he
cost-
wanted. There he.
Like, why are you even? Why are you even supporting me even more? You already did so much.
William is just a happy guy. Ah,
I am.
so it's 1
Right.
minute. What do you guys think? Should I share my screen already?
Yes.
Are we hyped?
Yes, and
Let's
then
press
start
the
moving
button.
your mouse like slowly to the button.
All right, guys. I want a countdown, by the way. If I don't see a countdown, I will not press the button. Okay, I will press the button because Marix will kill me otherwise, but please give me a countdown. So, it's almost time. This big green button is going to release our game. I'm just going to say a 10-second countdown because I see people starting from 100. Maybe that's a bit 1,000. That's a bit optimistic, guys.
It's only 15 seconds, so
Is it? I don't have a second
Yeah.
counter. Okay, so 10 seconds going in now. Let's go.
50,
10, 9.
8, 7.
You have to
6,
keep Chat, keep
5,
going. Keep going.
4,
Boost our,
3,
our
2.
interaction numbers.
It's 7 p.m.
It's also, by the way, I totally scammed you guys because you have to like confirm and so on. So even if I press the button,
Oh.
it's not done yet. So
Oh, this is just pure chaos.
so using the publish now button will immediately make your game product again available. Look at chat. Oh, great. All right, ready to release. Release. And then release my app. Release my app. Are you guys ready?
We have been for a
We're
while.
waiting for a loading circle. We're waiting for a loading circle. And then now it says, "Oh, we're releasing your app," and it's going to be so sad.
Oh.
We're almost there, I promise.
It's just on brand for Bite Me. We're just doing winged everything.
I mean, it just keeps loading. Guys, this is really anticlimactic after your massive countdown.
We just broke Steam. We're just so big of a developer.
Yeah, everyone is refreshing the page. Everyone wants it right now. Oh! Wait. A publishing task has been completed. It may take up to 10 minutes for your product to appear. So, in the next 10 minutes, you can buy the game? Maybe?
Yay!
Hey,
Well,
you can see the price.
yeah.
I assume you can buy it then. Let's go. Let's take a look at the store page. It is available.
For me, it's showing 10% discount.
It is available. 449 euros. You can see our beautiful post. Marnix made it earlier today. We have Steam Deck support, ladies and gentlemen. We have proper controller support. Multiplayer. Marnix was even so kind to like show off how many, like at what wattages, how many FPS you get. So you can like look, 3 watts, even still like around 45 FPS. Let's go. So this was not the stream, by the way. I mean, this is a part of the stream.
And now it's just us trying to promote the game and get people to buy and review it.
Yeah, so basically, if you're watching, if you like the channel, if you want to play the game, please support us and definitely do the review. It is super, super helpful. Like, we mentioned this like so many times in videos. I mentioned it so many times during the stream. Reviews, 10 reviews is the mark where Steam starts pushing your game quite a bit. And we are banking on you guys. We believe in you guys to help us get there pretty soon.
We need to get to 10 during the stream. More is fine. Don't
I
worry.
mean, is there you know best? You're the Steam guru. Like, okay, the gamer guru, not the Steam guru. My bad. But how long do you have to play a game before you can give a review?
Pretty much as soon as you've launched it, I think.
Okay.
I do recommend people to at least try it out a bit and play it a bit and like
play
don't
the
just
game.
give meme reviews.
Don't give actual reviews. Like, start the game, go like, I don't know, to the first container. See what you think of the controls. Let us know what you think. Why didn't you make a Steam event announcement? Marnix said there should be one going live automatically. Let's take a look.
Yeah. So yeah, do at least play like meme reviews.
Yeah.
As a gamer,
don't just meme review.
They're useless to me as a gamer, and they will be to others. So at least give like a review that's something like, oh yeah, this
funny mechanic. The controls are wonky. Yeah. That this is the best thing I've ever played in my life. Also, maybe a slight. I should have maybe said this before, but since today, ladies and gentlemen, we have a massive announcement to make. You can get the Hammers and Unicycle bundle on Steam. You can buy Forza Industry and Unicycle Pizza Time together, basically. It just is a fancy name. You can buy both of them together. You get like a small discount.
A bit of a bigger discount.
Yep.
Yeah.
Another 10%. So if you also want Forza Industry for some reason, I mean, great game, then you know what to do.
Oh, I need to do an everyone announcement that the game's released.
Do you?
Yeah, Marnix told me to, or else he's gonna be mad.
Then what are you waiting for? I didn't get my notification yet. Does a negative review count towards the 10? Yes. I should have clarified. Please give positive reviews, though. Maybe that's a good thing to also say. So what do you think, William? Is it time we boot up the game ourselves?
Well, my game's already open.
All right, then I'm going to switch to your screen. This is also the first time we do this. So I'm hosting the stream. William is joining remotely, like we usually do with Marnix, for example. Now, you saw my screen just now. I was the one pressing the button. Let's now see if we can see William's screen. So if I press this button, William, you don't have anything weird on your screen, right?
Nope, just a guy on a unicycle.
Okay, boom. Oh, it works. We see a pink guy in a unicycle. I'll boot
yeah.
up my game real quick. Maybe a quick question. William, is your audio on for the game?
It is.
Okay, it's just to know if I mute my audio or not. Did you share with your sound?
It should be.
Is it like how high is it? Okay.
I can put it up a bit.
Wait, I'm just going to mute mine for a second. They don't hear your sound, so I'll just put my sound a bit on. The music is going to drive me absolutely nuts.
Yeah. So we can't say how many copies we've sold so far because that doesn't update.
Yeah, it doesn't update immediately.
Yeah.
Will you add trading cards? We are open for suggestions, but that's probably not something we're planning to do anytime soon.
We might, but it's also, I think it's dependent on if you have like a certain amount of players and such.
We are already allowed to do marketplace if that's what you mean. Or
but does that include, like, does it allow us to do trading cards?
I don't know. Maybe?
No, well, I mean, maybe if we're a success.
Yeah, just make sure
we'll
we
see.
sell for like billions, and Steam will definitely allow us to make a card. I thought you made a video about UI. This game is made in a month.
And honestly, I've seen worse UI, so.
Alright, you're hosting?
It's functional. Yeah, I'll host game.
Okay, how lenient are we going to be? Oh, Dukalux lobby. That's not you.
Can you go online so I can invite you?
Are we not just opening it for everyone? Yeah. 2 people can join if they want.
Are we going to do that?
Why not? What's the worst?
Lobby's public. Try and get in here before someone else does.
So Dukaluk is already playing the game. I don't know if you're in chat, Dukaluk, but I hope you're having fun. Oh, Priscon. Oh, and he's gone. Well, oh. My screen is a bit bugged, but it's fine. Oh, okay, we're 4 people. Oh, William is starting. It's pizza time, boys. We're spawning in.
I just see new text, Jesus.
Okay, so as you can see, we have a couple of
Something broke already.
I think someone joined and it was like completely bugged. Oh, look at new text already failing.
Every fresh start is like a blank pizza.
Oh, wait, he's a pro.
Ready for the toppings.
Why is he so quick?
Choose.
Is it Max? Okay, it's not Max, because he wouldn't get stuck on the bed immediately. Reading Ocelot is Dukaluk. Wait, where did he go?
I think he left.
Oh no, he just fell down. Oh my god.
Wait, whose screen is being shared right now?
They are seeing your screen.
Okay, so I'm showing that you know how to do it.
Oh yeah, you're already there. Damn, this guy is going hard. So yeah, we found out the lobby is not perfect yet.
Yeah, we've tested it with a few people, but.
Oh, look at me go! I'm quicker than you, William.
Oh yeah.
Every leap is a chance to do something
like
amazing.
What also funny is they see your screen, but they hear my audio. So if I get like the quotes, they hear when I am there. Ah, oh, god damn it! I really hate that jump, by the way.
Sounds like you need to get good.
Oh, he actually made it. Damn it!
Every
People will think the game is easy now.
Do something amazing.
How do you join the game? You cannot right now, but tomorrow we do a bite stream, and after bite stream there is
Every leap is a chance to do something.
There
amazing.
is a lovely after party at which we will open a lobby, keep it open for the entire stream, and it will be like I think it was 250 people. So at max you will be able to join tomorrow basically. Alright, so the game just launched. I already had 3 exceptions. Not me, but I mean, people had 3
Every
exceptions
leap
already.
is
I'm
a
gonna
chance
just
to
mute that
do
channel
something
now.
amazing.
Yes.
I mean, they don't hear it on stream, so I won't.
Yeah, but I hear it.
Oh, you just for your own sanity.
Right.
What time tomorrow?
Recording or-
We start with the bite stream at 8, and after that we will do it. So it's probably like around 9 p.m. CEST, so Central European summertime. I don't know what place you are from, but that's basically, yeah. You have to figure it out yourself. I'm sorry. Yeah, William, don't finish the entire game, obviously. Also,
Or I'm
oh,
not, like, I'm
okay,
waiting
wait.
for him.
Someone
for
is-
Thomas to appear. So.
yeah, but I'm going back because I'm seeing there's still some random guy here. It's probably still Oswald because I cannot see his name. But oh, he's making it. Oh God, I stopped moving. If you
Another
don't move, by
day,
the way, you
Another
basically
pizza.
die. But the reading
Oh, he
Ocelot
made it
is there.
over here.
Yeah, he made it. Let's go. Keep moving, by the way, if you're still in chat, because otherwise you will definitely die.
Yeah.
Did you choose
Every fresh
Mena
start
price or does
is
Steam
like
does
a
it
black
automatically?
pizza.
Steam does it automatically,
Ready for the toppings.
but it's pretty horrible.
You choose.
The conversions are not properly done, so we did it manually. So we looked at what games from like usually sell for in that region, and we priced it accordingly. Steam usually overcharges, for example, markets that are have less income basically. And yeah, that's not what we want. We want to sell copies. We don't. We want to sell a lot of copies, not
Every
just
leap
a
is
few
chance
copies to people with
do
money.
something amazing.
So we take, for example, a lot less of a cut for certain games that are like, for example, bought in, I don't know, Colombia
I
or
think
something.
Japan is one that's
In a
bit
world of
more-
Yeah,
margaritas,
Japan as well, because
be
it's like
of Hawaii.
4.99 yen. I felt it all. All right, William,
Yeah,
are you
don't worry,
watching?
guys.
What you watching the guy try?
Yeah, yeah.
No stress, by the way. If you're in the game here, everyone is watching you. I hope I don't give you any like performance anxiety. You're doing great. You overshot that by just a little bit. I would try it maybe a little bit. Like, William, come back a bit. It's like so
A
far in the
few
distance.
Oh,
I can also
hope
just
we have
switch to my
third
screen
time.
if you want.
Oh, he's gone.
Oh, he's okay. I think it got to him a bit. Maybe I was when I said everyone is watching you. Maybe it was a bit too scary. If you want, we can create a new lobby. Like 2 new random people can join. Might be fun to see them struggle. No? Because I agree with chat that we probably shouldn't go too far ourselves, so that people can experience the future levels themselves. No?
True.
Okay, I left.
Okay. Yeah. Leave lobby.
You host
They-
again?
Host game. Public.
Let's see if it works, because that's usually... Oh, there are like... I saw like 3 different lobbies already. That's pretty cool. I don't... Like, Sir Hacks, Kaledinos...
How did you land on 30 days of development over all the time, as well? 30 days just happens to correspond with 1 month, so we took 1 month.
Wait, did I get in?
Nope.
Well, you can start
Any
without
other
me, it's fine.
people?
I can commentate, it's fine. More people can
I'll-
play with
I'll
their
try
idol,
to.
William.
Oh, this time, no, I've got 2 bones.
Oh, well, 2 bones. Well, it is what it is. I
And
got
one
stuck
guy
in the
hasn't thrown
wall.
up yet.
I assume that's a skill issue, Inex, but it's fine. I will forgive you just this once because it's like release date. You still have a lot to learn. If it makes you feel any better, I haven't finished the game ever. I do know the guy that did QA. He finished the game in like 4 minutes. He's like a beast at it by now. He also played like, I don't know, maybe 200 hours by now. I have no clue. I'm just spitballing a number. But damn. He is like so damn good at it already. So it's definitely a skill issue for me.
Oh, this guy disappeared.
Okay, let's take a... In the meantime, I'm going to take a
I
look
think
at
there's
the
only one
arrows.
other person in the lobby by now. No pressure, I'm just gonna watch you very closely as you try. Jesus Christ, I
It's-
say that well.
William, you're such a creep. What are you doing?
And this is why they don't let me on stream.
Yeah, exactly. All right. So I guess we know what. I guess I know what I'll be doing tomorrow because we are getting some crash reports in. The good thing is though,
3 minutes 41 seconds. Says QA guy Max.
time to beat. Okay, that's insane. Yeah, I'm not making that. But what I see is in general, I saw the error that happened earlier, where I saw like multiple people at the same position. 5 people had it by now. So hey, we at least have like a couple of copies sold. But the nice thing there is it does not break the game, it seems. So the one that is most common is at least not game breaking by now.
I want to point out, apparently Avast can complain that the game is suspicious, but to be fair, as Avast himself is suspicious lately, so.
I mean, only lately.
It's true, yeah.
I mean, I think every multiplayer game that is not known, or even if known, is probably suspicious by an antivirus, because we ask, you need permission to your network, and since we use Steam peer-to-peer, maybe they're like, wait, this thing is trying to do like peer-to-peer communication. It's not what I want. Yeah. I swear, guys, this is not a torrent.
Oh, I'm going to recreate a lobby just to get some new blood in here, because this is...
This is what? Are they not doing well, or did they already leave?
One person left, so
all right.
Lobby is open.
Is this a sign that we made the game too hard and people are rage quitting after 1 minute? I don't think so. I think we're doing fine. For me, the most annoying part is when you turn, you have to manually move your mouse to constantly face forwards. That's actually intentional because, for example, you want to have a sideways view sometimes. Like, for example, in third-person shooters and so on, that you also move your camera, just WASD with your fingers, your left hand, and then with your right hand, hold the mouse, and you can rotate.
Yeah, and I think even on controller, I think that the controls are decent enough.
There are like 10 Free Fury lobbies. Okay, I think I know this bug. I'm going to log it, but it's basically if you restart the game, you'll only see 1. But if you, for some reason, come from the game already, it is more. So
okay, so it doesn't correctly clean it up.
I don't think so. Like sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't.
I will restart myself as well quickly.
Okay. All right, I will just log it already. Multiple.
I'm just that good. I'm playing 10 games at once, so.
So yeah.
Play host public. Lobbies public.
Let's go, people. You can join. So who's joining? Surfing Kunk. Oh, he's changing his outfit. What? You can also change your unicycle. Oh, there we go. Mesmer is also.
Again.
And the names seem to be working this time.
Yeah, but does it work in game?
Yeah, I mean, if it works here, it should work in game.
Right. Well,
all right. Don't you have faith in the code? See, easy.
Hey,
okay, but that's actually pretty. William, they're already past you.
Me.
But this is actually pretty good to know already. You guys are great QA. I'm just watching you guys play the game and I already know what's going on now. Basically, the error that I see most common is an out of range exception for an array, and that array is probably also the reason why the names are not synced correctly, because it happens when people join the lobby basically.
Like, I'll give it tip to guys playing. You don't have to jump down there. You just have to jump on top of the container and then on here.
Yeah. It is just because so you fall down, you can get back on the container basically.
Yeah, you don't have to. Yeah, why are you jumping down? You don't have to go.
I don't think they wanted to jump down, William.
I know, I'm being mean. Sorry.
Why are you doing this?
I'm doing this because they can't talk back to me.
Oh, so now you feel like a big man, huh? They're like, you cannot talk back to me.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, fuck.
I
mean, if people are getting angry over this, like, I don't think one of the first tags on the game is psychological horror, so...
Yeah, the whole idea of the game, like, for this game and, like, other games, is literally rage games. It's like, they are intended to frustrate you. And believe me, if you play this game, you will get frustrated. But it's also so much fun. Also, like...
Someone got disconnected, so...
forcefully? Or did you actually
It's-
disconnect yourself?
I didn't. I'm still here, so
Yeah, not you, but I mean the person in chat.
he said I got disconnected, so
Psychological horror. Oh
he
god.
didn't make it.
Psychological, William. Cycle.
Oh.
Yeah, someone just did
I'm
that.
so disappointed in myself for not making that one earlier. Jesus.
It's impossible to even find your game. I go on Steam, new releases. All they have is popular new releases section, which
Yeah, but
shows
there is a
basically
gamepad
months old
support,
games.
so
What did you say?
someone is like, oh, maybe add gamepad support. There is gamepad
Yeah.
support.
Controller support is there.
It is analog, I think it's the name. So it's not like you can't just like slowly turn around. It's like either you go or you don't. But that just keeps consistency with keyboard.
You mean it's not analog?
Host stopped server. It said the host stopped the server.
I'm going to note that down. Server when host didn't stop server, because I'm very much watching William right now.
Well, yeah, of course, it's Steam doesn't really show you that well because we're not popular yet. We only had 500 wish lists. But that's if a lot of people buy it now and give it reviews, it will go up and we can become more easily found. It's playing the algorithm game.
Yup.
Thomas was like, oh, I get to play the game nice and relaxing. It's just fixing the game. Instead.
Yeah, I'm writing down bugs you guys are finding already. Are playing Collider with each other? You can hit each other, but you cannot push each other right now. We want to be able to push each other, like at some degree at least, but we didn't get that done in time. But normally, I'm going to.
You can collide, but you can't really. There's no pushing yet. That's
yeah, exactly.
Coming in a 1.1 update, probably. Oh god.
There are still no reviews, by the way. Are you guys restreaming this to stream? Adding a stream would help promote it. From what I understood, streams on Steam are not that impactful. I might be wrong, but that's at least how I remember it. I mean, there are still no announcement, it seems. I'm going to take a look at Steamworks, because Marnik said a post should go live, but it is not live. So that's not ideal.
It's kind of fun to see people struggle, knowing like
I got myself stuck.
It might not be as easy as we expected it to be.
If you got yourself stuck, get unstuck or press R, and then you restart basically. But it's normally if you get stuck, you should be able to unstuck yourself. It's not always easy, but almost always you can do it. You can still get stuck and it's completely screwed, but that's very unlikely. I hope you didn't get that already.
We found out most of them at least.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Mesmer, keep going. I'll give you guys a few more tries, and then I'm just gonna remake the lobby.
Why?
Get some new blood in here. Just
yeah, that's so
fun.
mean.
I mean, if they pass, I'll follow them.
Look at him. If they pass, I'll follow them.
He fell. Nope. He's
where
gone.
do you configure the?
Oh wait, I think they both either respawn or they're gone. So I'm gonna.
You kick them.
They
Maybe restart yourself as well with them, just in case.
Yeah, that's probably smartest.
Community hub. Is it here? Ah, we have our first review.
Did that. So, the leaderboards, are they public now?
Good question. Good question. I have actually no clue. I'm quickly going to
leaderboards. Games. Community hub view stats.
Fun.
Can I find them here? Timer guides, discussions.
What are you doing?
Trying to find
The
if I can find
leaderboards.
leaderboards. Global leaderboards. There are no public global leaderboards. Are they maybe not made public yet?
I'll see if I have to make them public.
Yeah. I'm gonna make sure I restart the game. I don't know if I did.
Is that? Let's take a look. See.
Host game. Public. So yeah, there is an achievement for finishing the game.
Yeah, obviously. For finishing the city level.
Oh. So the game for now.
Yeah, for now, but what?
We do have a plan for like another medieval level. I don't know if that was secret or not. I don't think so.
I know Mark's talked about it a couple of times.
Yeah.
Already. I need to log in again. God damn it, Steam.
It's so empty here.
People are already rage quitting and refunding the game. So
I hope not.
UPT is on new releases if you press see more releases, but I don't know if wishlisting the game impacts where it ranks for the end user. I don't think the wishlist is the reason. I think Valve is now mostly cared about sales, first of all, but more importantly, the reviews. The reviews are, the thing, basically. And we have 4 already. So people who are giving reviews, thank you so much. They all give it thumbs up even.
Can I refresh and check them? Oh, they're not.
I mean, they're not that special.
Well, a lie.
But I'm still trying to find that post that I was promised from Marnix. But when I try to open it, it says like, nope, you have to try logging in. Oh no, I'm going to have to log in. Wait, what?
To be like, I don't. The tags we have right now is probably better than pizza because pizza is not.
I don't think pizza is a valid tag even.
Yeah, it's not really a valid tag. It's also not that useful because okay, yeah, you're delivering a pizza, but that's about the only theme about pizza.
You bought the game. You guys are great. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy the game. If you like it, also you can review the game and give us a blazing hot review
of Fresh Blood.
Fresh Blood.
I've seen Mesmer a few times now, but
I'm sure he will get there in time. In the meantime,
scrubs. I don't need a chair.
Sasha, the game is indeed live, so do give it a try if you want to. The Unicycle Pizza Time music is not playing, but I still hear it in my head because I played it so much. It's actually insane.
I mean, we could tag the game with sports as well, but it's like it's not the tags we currently have are good because the similar games that Steam recommends are games that we are based on, so to speak.
All right.
Or like are similar to us, so different tags wouldn't do much. Right now it's just visibility, the algorithm. We don't have 10 reviews yet. We don't have enough wish lists, so we need to get there first before.
I'm taking a look, but I don't see.
Like the emotional tag is very accurate.
I don't see why the leaderboard would not be public. Where do you normally see it?
4-player lobbies. I don't know. Do you mean where I found it or the public?
Where do you normally see it? Because did you restart your Steam after the release? No, probably.
No.
Yeah, maybe that's why.
Link.
Oh, it's an actual URL?
Yeah. I'll link it to you.
Okay.
So. Yeah, they don't have sound of the game now.
Yeah.
Because for some reason Streamlabs isn't sharing my audio when I made sure I checked the toggle for audio. Actually, can I I'm gonna quickly read. Can I stop sharing for a moment, or will it
I'll put us on full if you want, or what do you want?
I just want to see if re-sharing might fix it.
You can try. I put it back for like they see your face bigger now. So
Right? It's I told it to share audio now as well, so but yeah, you can play it with up to 4 people at once.
audio's not sharing, by the way.
8 people if you want to do tournaments and such, but then you have to like do 4v4, v4, and then like have the winners do against each other and such. But yeah, play it with friends.
You're not. Are you sharing your screen?
I'm sharing my screen again.
Oh, I need to activate it again because they don't trust you. William,
Yeah,
I don't see your screen anymore.
I'll try it again.
Yeah, but I don't know if you need to try. Oh, okay, wait, I found it. Okay, try it again now.
Share.
All right, and I can give you a volume. William screen.
How do you
Show.
both have control of the stream at the same time? Well, that's neating. I don't actually have control. I just share my
He
webcam
doesn't.
and
Yeah.
screen to Thomas, and he controls the stream.
Yeah. So, well, you're seeing William being amazing at our own game. Oh, you just left Ryu, by the way. Thank you. You see William being
Yeah,
amazing
I
at our
think I
game.
lost everyone in the. Oh no, Mesmer is here. He's just AFK.
I mean,
2 skill jumps.
ooh, William,
Yeah.
you want a scoop?
Ooh, scoops.
Big juicy
of scoop?
scoop.
Ice cream.
What?
A scoop? Scoop of ice cream? Or
That's not what I meant.
yeah. Okay.
The first sales numbers are in.
Oh. Are we rich yet?
What is rich?
350.
We earned more than 350, if that's what you mean.
Hell yeah.
There is still no sound.
That's
I'll
a
put on
wall-
some music
wall
for you
Steve.
guys because William is sharing his screen and I'm not actually playing the game right now. I'll put some nice cozy music on for you guys.
Text on
Not too
stream
hard.
screen has a typo. Unit.
Wait, can you say it again?
The text on stream screen has typo. Uniside silo.
Oh yeah, I made a typo. Good find.
Considering a short 2-minute level just for a quick matchup. We haven't considered it. We can start considering it.
What do you want? What do they want?
Short 2-minute level just for a quick matchup. Just like quick. That
How
could be
many
a
copies
PUBG.
sold so far, William? People want to know. Give them a guess. Give them a guess.
I have to guess.
Yeah, you have to guess. People in chat can also guess.
At least one. At least one. No, that's a cop-out answer. 50.
I wish. You're way 50.
I
You're-
have to
you're
be
trying to-
optimistic, okay?
You're trying to
How many
tell me
people?
that 1 in 3 people watching would actually buy the game.
Yeah, they wouldn't betray us like that, would they?
70
to
plus.
start.
Seamus, you're way too optimistic. I mean, also the stat isn't updating anymore, it seems, or no one
Yeah.
is buying it anymore. But lifetime total units 36. Lifetime Steam units. These are the ones that matter. This actual sales, because there are
yeah.
also just other people activating it. 22.
I mean, that's halfway to my suggestion. A
Joss
million
AP,
starts at- a million
congratulations, you are very close. You said 20. You are almost right on the money.
starts- Yeah.
Game board games, no worries, you don't have to buy it. There. What total
The
versus Steam
total
units?
is including, like, for example, streamers or such that activated a key.
Yeah, it's like keys we send to other people, and it's not the Steam ones are basically the paid ones, and the total ones are the paid ones and the unpaid ones. Just anyone having it in the library, basically.
Someone got to the park and figured out the water is not
Wait.
great to go in with a cycle.
Wait, really?
Not in the lobby, but just someone
Oh.
in chat.
Okay. Already twice of what Forge Industry sold. Too soon. Actually, Forge Industry grossed over 10k. I can. You know what? I'll give you the exact numbers.
Ooh.
Like how much lifetime Forge Industry.
Just to come back, at a neat level ID might be something where 4 people don't spawn together on the same level, but it's just the same level, slightly put off to each other. So it's like an actual race forward.
So we launched and you're already going for more scope creep?
It's not scope creep, it's suggestions.
Guys, if you press R, you get a jetpack. Nice. Exactly.
It's also 26 more copies sold than Songs of Never Made.
Yeah, Songs of Never Made is... I mean, we had more people play the demo though, but that's over an entire weekend, so it's not really comparable. Blah 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 blah.
It's also a demo, so it's free.
Yup. If you bought the game, thank you so much for supporting us. Try to leave a review. I'm going to say it like 50 more times before. Maybe not 50, because I didn't eat yet. I'm kind of hungry. All right. I googled it. Like Google's not the correct word. William is very quiet. Do you mean when he talks, or just he doesn't talk much? Because there's a difference. But what I was going to say. Forge Industry sold more than Unicycle Pizza Time. Surprise. Forge Industry retailed for $10,271 US right now. Like up until this date. And then, yeah, Unicycle Pizza Time. We're not there yet, but we will get there for sure. When he talks the volume, I put him a bit louder already. So I hope it's better.
Do you guys refund keyboards? No, we don't. We should have put that as a disclaimer at the start of the game. We're not held liable for any damage to your property while playing the game.
How hyperbolic was the 1 month bankruptcy title? Are y'all actually running out of money? Yes and no. So what do we mean by that? Mostly Marnix, but also William, because William sometimes gets paid, but not nearly every month. But in the end, they are both living on like their savings right now, because Bite Me makes money, but not enough to sustain 2 people full time, which is in this case Marnix and William. If Unicycle Pizza Time fails or doesn't do well or whatever, is Bite Me going bankrupt? Not immediately, no way. Like at least till the end of the year, we can make it. But we do have like the thing that we need to see some kind of income, be it a publisher, be it a game selling well, being a massive explosion on Patreon, patreon.com/bitemegames, by the way. Unless one of those things actually gives us more money, this is not something we can keep doing like permanently in the end. We do not want to do contract work.
If you do contract work at that point, you might as well just quit.
Yeah, then just go into normal IT, like I'm currently, and then just just earn more money there, because you just earn more money in other game dev, and then it's maybe you can do it as a hobby, but we cannot maintain then our upload schedule, our release cadence of games. Brilliant sponsorships, they don't pay that much, and we also have some standards, not saying that they are bad, by the way, but just in general. Like there are some things we want sponsors that fit well with our audience, and
the bin isn't high enough. I can't escape the level.
So you're saying it's well made?
I'm pretty sure I can escape the level.
Okay, prove it. I'm still watching.
Give me a moment.
Almost there.
Give me a moment.
Larian did it, just saying, they hated it too. If you put Larian and Bite Me in the same league, thank you very much. Even back in their days where they did Get Net Kick and so on. But we are just 2 people full-time and 1 people working full-time, and then Bite Me full-time. There's only so much we can do. You're very close, William. You're doing great.
Yeah, but yeah, it's like it's
But
also.
it will play tomorrow with your kids. I hope your kids don't like screaming, because they will scream if they play this game. Like, they will have fun, but it's a very frustrating game.
In the lobby skin, you can change your player color as well as the unicycle color.
Yep, so one of the features on our beautiful Steam store page is Pimp Your Unicycle. You can change your outfit of your player, but also the color of your unicycle. So it looks really cool. Any reason not to stream the game on Steam? It's a special day. Mostly, we didn't think about it. I think that's the honest answer, but also we did it for example, for Forge Industry, even with the Next Fest, and you basically do not see any change. This looks cool to play. Well, lucky you, Yuki Production. You can buy it on Steam for $4.50 USD or whatever your currency is. Something relatable to that. So, let's go. Wait, an error occurred while installing Unicycle Pizza Time. Invalid platform?
Are you on a Mac by any chance?
Yeah, we only support Windows. But for example, it also works on Steam Deck if you use Proton. Like, it works out of the box. So Steam Deck is supported. If you're using a Mac, I'm sorry, but we do not, at least at this moment, maybe someday, have Mac support. The main reason is, while we do have someone in our team, Jamie, who has a Mac and could test it, we have a month time. It's already great if we can finish one platform in a month. So, okay, you're on a Mac. I mean, if it makes you feel any better, you can be the first refund. I'm not saying that will make me feel any better, though. But who knows? I mean, in theory, adding support for Mac shouldn't be that hard. So maybe we do it in the future, but no promise on it.
You basically need to get Jamie to try it out and see how.
Yeah, basically we just need someone to verify. It just works. Yep.
But it's also possible it doesn't.
You see 12 reviews on UK Steam. Okay, if that's the case, I'll share my screen and we'll go over the reviews and thank people one by one. Because William is just not being that good at the game, obviously. I'm teasing you now. Don't finish the game. I'm teasing you. Don't finish the game.
Well, if you're not watching my screen, I can finish the game.
I mean, that's also true. All right, there are reviews. William, I'm going to steal your screen real soon.
Yee.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you now see my screen. Let's go over it and say thank you to everyone. Fuzzy Bear 125. He thinks it's incredibly frustrating, exactly as it should be. A fun game that is surprisingly more difficult than it looks. The voice-over pizza puns never go stale and quote-unquote motivate you to keep going. Funny story, by the way. Up until last week, we had AI-generated voice-overs for the pizza puns. Then someone in chat, his name was Atlas Adams. He's an Australian voice actor. He was like, I'll do it for you for free. And you're like, we don't usually like it when the community is like offering us to do free work. But we're like, okay, the voiceovers in AI are too bad. And he did it, and it's so good. He made it so well. He gave us like a couple of versions. There are two in specific that are like later in the game of the lines he did that are so funny. Like, you should definitely go there.
Didn't he also came up with a few custom ones himself?
Yeah, he came up with a few custom ones. So they're like, I included a couple of the one he came up with. So we gave him a list of puns, and he made a couple himself, and they were really good. Like, actually really good. Pinky says, it took me 5 minutes to get over the gray container. I was super excited I finally reached the red container. I jumped, fell down, and got angry on my little brother for making it look so easy.
You're welcome.
Alright. Kiyor, I hope I said it correctly. We're looking for someone who's ready to work in a fast-paced and fun work environment. The work environment. It's a good one. Thank you. Bone says, controls feel suitably frustrating but fair and consistent. I like the art style. It looks cartoony, dirty, and colorful. Thank you for the kind words. Numor says, this game is so much. It really allows me to do many amazing things. He saw the pun already. I smashed my keyboard only once, which is pretty good. Like it. Priscon, very fun game with cool mechanics and controls. Quite challenging game as it should. Go buy this game. I think that's a good call to action. I think you should indeed buy this game. Mesmer, we saw you on stream, so I let's see if you what's your opinion on it right now. Great fun and very frustrating. Even better when played with friends. I agree. I was glad you were in the lobby and I could see you fall. No offense. I would also fall there, by the way. Dukalek. It's a hard game, but it's fun. I feel it's easier with keyboard and mouse than controller. I don't know if it's easier, but you have to get used to controller. So what we did for the controller is you have like the left joystick. By default, you can rebind, by the way, in controls. For forward and backwards movement, but you use the shoulder buttons to like lean right and left. Because like if you just use the joysticks, it just felt so weird. And William came up with this idea, and it was like actually pretty good. Like if you don't believe what I'm saying, like the joystick feeling weird, just rebind the shoulder buttons to the joystick as well, and you will see it is actually really, really too jank. It's like unplayable.
Yeah, it was not nice.
Yeah. Brit Waldo, hard game, but that's the point. Controller clunky at the start, but you'll get used to it, and it may be part of the experience. Thank you. X or Multiplexus. It's an okay game, just be patient with the controls. Thank you very much. So, those were the reviews that were already there. 12
don't
positive reviews.
Don't share my screen.
I'm not. No worries.
Okay,
I will not randomly start sharing your screen. No worries.
That's good, because
I will at least tell you.
the game right now.
Wait, what are you doing?
Oh fuck! I died in high rise.
Okay, so he tried to finish the game, he failed.
Yeah.
Just pursued, but unfortunately I'm being forced to go out, so gotta wait until later tomorrow to play. No problem, ZZ. Thank you so much for supporting us. I hope you enjoy the game. And if you are around tomorrow, after a Byte stream, we stream Byte stream at 8 p.m. CEST. So if you don't know when that is, it's in 15 minutes from now, but then tomorrow. Right.
So 24 hours and 15 minutes.
Exactly. So then we cover the indie game news. It's usually like an hour or like an hour and 10 minutes. After that, we do an after party, and we will do like I will make a custom lobby where we can allow quote unquote infinite amount of players. It will probably be like max 250, but we will not get there anyway, at least I assume. And you can join like Marnix and I, and then a whole bunch of the people of the community all together in one giant bowl of unicycle and just mashing our head against the wall, because no one will be able to move except people on Mac. So I'll just for you, Malex, I'll poke later on today Jamie. I'll ask him to verify if the game is properly working, and if that's the case, we can look into actually officially supporting Mac. The thing is, it probably works.
Would it be mean to tell him just like everyone with a Mac just like start pinging Jamie, or is that?
Yeah, let's not do that. No, let's not do that. But I will ask him to test and validate, and if that's the case, I'll ask him to build. Because we just didn't have the time to actually validate it for other platforms as well. Because as like we started the stream and we were playing, and people joined, and the game was already breaking even on Windows, so it's not ideal like at all. So, yeah, hopefully it's a me issue and it's just me coding bad and it's not a platform issue. But in general, Mac should be supported. There's a gray container, Kappa. Someone didn't get that far yet. It's fun, but man, the handles on the garbage cans need to be fixed. They are really annoying for the wrong reasons. The handles on the garbage cans.
Maybe the garbage cans. It might be a mesh collider, which means that the little garbage cans have like on the lid of the top like a little handle that you usually use.
Oh.
It might have a collision.
Yeah. Okay.
I have reached marketplace again.
Do you mean you want people to see your screen, or what's your point?
I mean, I can just stand here and then like play with a soccer ball.
Oh yeah, show the people the soccer ball. I'm sharing your screen again. There is a soccer ball in the game! Exactly, you can play soccer while on a unicycle. Is this us testing the waters to make a Rocket League competitor on a unicycle? I'm not officially denying or approving that message, but you can push a soccer ball with your unicycle. I just thought, hey, if that's not a reason to give a positive review, I don't know what is. Like, the only thing that comes close is being able to pet a dog, but we do not have any dogs. So
I have to point out the people who are like, oh yeah, the garbage can and then go over the pipe is so hard. Oh, sweet, sweet summer child.
wait, wait, respawn. Show me what you think they mean.
Now I lost the ball.
Yeah, but you can go back there.
True.
Rocket Pizza Unicycle League sounds promising.
Oh, the sequel just has like a rocket strapped to your back.
No, they mean Rocket League, because I just mentioned the football.
Yeah,
like,
but there still needs to be a rocket, so...
Oh, yeah, true, because you have the boost.
It's just a rocket, and then you just, whenever you press jump, you just boost.
Hitting a football with bicycle was almost a death of me IRL. Okay, Nick, I hear what you're saying. It's probably not very healthy, like a smart idea to do. However, have you tried it with a unicycle yet? You said a bicycle, not a unicycle.
Ooh.
So...
Half as much chance to fall
on
the ball.
Wait, William, I fat fingered and your thing was like completely off screen. I was like, you're like
nice.
half the screen. Is the overlay normally like this? No, I just when dragging the screen, I accidentally dragged William's screen as well. Whoops. Thank you for telling me, Damien. You as well.
There might be female characters in an update depending on how well the game goes or waifus.
I think.
But
in a stream, I went on record. I made like a couple of promises to the community about things we would add. I think at $100,000, we were adding an anime character on a unicycle. And at, I think it was like $1 million. Do you know Oscar from Godspeed Games, the Belgian dev?
No.
Okay, well, he makes a game.
I might recognize him, but names don't.
He's making a game, and he showed us like on Gamescom. A build where you have to like kill a priest. You can opt to kill a priest, and you see the corpse of the priest for the entire game in your house.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, okay.
Yes.
No, I do know the guy.
I also promised. I don't know the exact number again. I'll just say an arbitrary number. Don't quote me on this. I said it on stream. You can quote that stream, not this stream. It was like $500,000, and it was like, and I will add your crap also in Unicycle Pizza Time. So there are community goals. Will we hit them? Probably not. I'm gonna.
I first want to point out, I love that my family is just using the Twitch chat to organize a lobby with each other. That's just all my family there. Just like, oh yeah.
Also, people, there is an invite friends button. FYI,
yep.
You can also just go to Steam, right-click someone, and say invite to game. You don't have to go through the lobby screen.
Thomas, I think these are the lids they mean.
Oh yeah.
And I think it's a mesh collider. So
yeah, I think
the little tops have.
Yeah, they are quite annoying. I agree.
The pipe.
Damn, the red guy is fast. I mean, he's already at the pipe.
He's already been there a few times.
Okay,
it's just after the pipe he's not there anymore. Mesmer.
Oh.
Exactly.
Yeah, he's going hard.
That one is. The tip for that, well, I'll get that. It's you don't have to jump on top of the pipe. You can rotate on top. You can rotate to it. Oh god.
I would love to see, but I'm not seeing it. I'm an influencer. A friend of mine has bought the game. Another is going to buy in a few. I hope you have fun. I failed on water in the park. I think the water is like one of the worst feelings ever, because the moment it sinks in. And I'm not saying sinking because water sinking. No, pun was not intended. The moment it sinks in, what happens when you hit the water is like, are you fucking kidding me? Yeah. Are you for real? It's like
I don't know if Mesmer has the stream open, but if he does, you can basically just ride on top of the pipe. You can just rotate on top of it. You don't need to jump to it.
Yeah, and keep moving, or at least pause the game. If you pause the game, you won't fall over. Yeah. But in multiplayer, your timer is keep going.
Yeah.
Looking forward to unlock Rookie Mistake. It's an achievement. I'm going to take a look. Rookie Mistake. I don't know what the exact number was. Rookie Mistake is fall over 100 times. Diamph, you are a very sweet and innocent child, because there are also hidden achievements. And there are things that are a lot worse. A lot worse.
I find it so funny. The pipe is actually... I know that was like the easier part of that level, of that side for a while.
I also struggled with the pipe for like at the beginning. It's really hard at the beginning. I remember like falling off it quite a couple of times. So I understand why it's like not easy.
Yeah. And look at all the level design. Look at all the shiny car. This is the car I'm going to get when we're rich millionaires.
You don't even have a driving license. What are you saying?
Yeah, then I'll get this guy that's on the unicycle to be my driver.
Send it to all my friends still stuck on this damn pipe. I already hear the frustration in your voice. Is this just Bite Me Games becoming full evil and trying to piss off the entire world? Maybe. But hey.
Yeah.
Also, sometime today, probably after Marnix had his lovely dinner for the birthday of his grandma, we will put a post live because we actually have planned for post-launch support. We are not just saying, hey guys, look, we released the game, you saw me press the button, and that's it. We are actually planning to continue doing some things at least to the game for quality of life and maybe even more. I don't want to go on record confirming or denying what we exactly put quote-unquote officially on our announcement, but I cannot see it for some reason. Steam keeps refusing. So I think Marnix is doing hostile takeover and not letting me see it. So, are you still trying to get out of bounds?
Yeah, I think you can jump off the curb. Like, I know you can jump off the curb, but if Max was here, he would already be on the other side.
This game is Bite Me Games having their revenge on all the people that talk trash about Forge industry. I mean, you're not entirely wrong, maybe, but I mean, everyone who thinks there's a proper gamer, like for real, this is, I think, a proper challenge. Like, not only skill-wise, but definitely patience-wise.
By the way, this is accurate footage you see right now of me watching our QA play the game. That was literally 15 minutes at the time where it's just like at a curb doing this. I look away, I look back, and he's like at the other side of the map suddenly, out of bounds. So.
Wow, this is a beautiful area you're in, William. It's completely different than where all the other players are. I don't know why they're staying in that not so pretty area. Why are they staying there? Any clue?
Oh, is he gonna get it? Is he gonna get it?
Is he going to get it?
I don't know. He has to make the jump now to the pipe area.
What is your next game? Probably Guild Architect. Maybe, depending on like how the entire thing with Unicycle Pizza Time goes. You'll see it in like 3 or 4 weeks when Marix and I make the post-mortem. You'll know the exact thoughts, but right now the only plan is Guild Architect. We haven't really thought about anything yet. Oh, also, William, new sale numbers.
Oh,
make another guess.
50.
Chat, make another guess. William sucks at guessing. So basically, Unicycle Pizza Time released not even 1 hour ago. How many sales? 57, 32. Guys, you all suck so hard at guessing. 69, ooh, 130, ooh, 3,500, I wish. No. I haven't seen the correct number yet. Unironically, Malax is closest with 69, because right now it's 71 copies.
Oh, we've soared past 50.
Yeah.
Fuck
so
yeah.
We keep going. Those are also Steam copies, so actual paid copies. So definitely, for sure, everyone here watching that is actually... Oh, how are you on the side? Whatever. Everyone here watching and actually buying the game, thank you so much. It really helps us out. And it will definitely at least prolong the execution, but we are not planning on dying anytime soon. So,
Eric, where did you get stuck? Like, where do you not know where to go? Because I feel it's obvious, but then again, it's also we're biased. So, but I think we added a few like places, like with signs and such. Also, do you like how I got on top of the wall again?
I don't want to see it. Stay cool.
I can't get over that.
Oof, Sir Hex, fun game to run with your friends. Make sure to press R for the jetpacks at the mattress. Max of 4, full lobby recommended. Needs a mod map support. Oof.
No,
Ooh,
I
you're
don't
never
think
going to
that's-
be able to get that sold to Marnix.
Yeah. As for Sky Cloud, is it still worth reviewing? It always is worth reviewing. It just helps.
It's always helpful. Yeah, so if you bought the game, if you're having fun, please leave us a positive review. You can put whatever you want in there. Of course, the most helpful is when you are actually saying what you think about the game and it's actually good. And if it's not, and you just say, hey, I want to boost these stats a bit, you can just say whatever you want. You can make it funny, for all I care. When will you upload the speedruns where people beat the map in 7 minutes or something? Our QA person has been able to do it in under 4 minutes. So
Yep,
this is a game you can definitely speedrun. There's a reason we added a timer at the top right-hand corner, just because if you're getting good at this, you can speedrun it. He found so many tricks in the level design where he was like skipping certain parts or like making some really cool movements. So I mean,
we've already like patched a lot of them out, but we also kept some in where it's like, okay, if someone does it, go ahead. We don't mind. So, for example, if people paid attention, I was doing one of those possible skips in Park. Which is like, if you spent the effort to do that, you might as have already taken the normal route. So
I'm able to rage quit this in under 4 minutes, but finish it. Phew.
Max is just like showing his power in Twitch chat.
Yeah, I saw. He's flexing. Yeah, he did it in under 4 minutes. So, not to talk slack, but the two viewers who are here right now are in here for like 33 minutes, 34 minutes, and they haven't started the game yet.
Yeah, Eric, where are you getting confused? Because it's not that there isn't that much decoration everywhere, so it's most of the time pretty obvious how you have to get past it.
But wait,
so,
where is he getting stuck?
I don't know. He's saying it's confusing, but
okay, right. Let me read it.
Put
Put little
container to
spinning
another-
3D arrows
you
here
mean
and there.
from the first container. I guess from the first container then. Well, if you like look at the container, I feel you should be able to figure out like, oh, there's an area there. Oh, there's an area there. You should be able to figure it out, the path. Because yeah, we could do like, oh, here's yellow paint everywhere where you have to go, but
no. But for example, what we do is
have
the stop
enough
signs to
sections.
indicate a path. We could put a stop sign here to identify you have to go on top.
Yep.
That's fine.
Look. Yeah, but look in front of me on top of my
Yeah,
head
but
right now.
I think he was talking like where you just pass, right? Well, you could put a
Yeah,
stop
but-
sign somewhere on the wall or something. That's what I mean.
I suppose we could add a few more, but I do not want to add like glowing markers and such.
No, glowing markers we
feel
will
that
not do,
takes
but we
away.
can do something like more stop sign. I don't think that's a bad thing. The arrows could be pizza slices.
If you're on top of a
Probably.
container and you want to like look around, just like go forwards and backwards.
Yeah,
Or I think does jumping also work?
yeah,
I
jumping
think
also
it
works.
Also works. So if you just jump in place, you can just take that time to look around.
As I watch this, yet more releases on YouTube are coming out. I'm not sure what you mean, but yay.
Oh, is he going to do it?
Oh, you're putting so much pressure on him. You're putting so much pressure on him. There he goes. No, there. No, never
You,
mind.
you can turn onto it. You can do it. Don't jump because jumping
Yeah, jumping
can
is
help.
harder.
But it's an advanced
What you can do
way
is
of
like
getting
jump when
past
you're
it.
halfway to finish, but
Yeah.
at the start you shouldn't jump. Rudolf Kaiser says congratulations, thank you very much.
You can do it.
Come on. Yes, don't go too slowly. Don't go too slowly. You can slide off because it's still a circle. Yeah, there we go. Woo!
Hey!
What a legend. William,
Yeah.
keep watching him. What are you doing? He's going to fail now. I mean, it wasn't even that hype.
Oh, it's just gone.
Uh,
Rage quit or
Inex
here
is
is
after
off.
water. So someone got past the park. Let's
Ooh,
go.
it's at the marketplace. He's gonna
And
get
someone
the
else fell
beautiful
into the water.
duality of man. For everyone watching, a tip for this part is you can use a sign. The Indian restaurant Angan sign.
You just
can
make it
use
look
to,
easy.
Like, back up into it.
You make it look so
And then
easy.
you just yeah, yeah. So I do think this is a good thing to show. Like, we've played it a lot. It's you can get good at it. So it's not just like, oh, it's hard and it's like you just have to get lucky. You with skill you can get good at it. Like with time and effort.
Is that YouTube guy going to be on this stream later? You know who I mean. I think you mean Marnix. Pretty sure you actually mean him. Today, no. He's at the birthday of his grandma. So he's enjoying food, probably. Talking about food. I want food. But tomorrow, Marnix and I are hosting the weekly Byte stream, 8 p.m. CEST, so basically in 24 hours. And after like an hour of indie game dev news, which is like usually how long it takes, we will be playing this once again, but then we will create a lobby where basically everyone can join who wants to. So it will be very chaotic, probably break half the time, but I think it will be fun for at least.
Damien, I just showed you how to do it, so I can't show more because then you guys don't need to play the game yourself anymore, because I can just show the entire game.
Have you considered making this a branded game like the Burger King Xbox games, but for terrible delivery service? We haven't tried that yet. I mean, we had 1 month. I don't think in 1 month we could get a brand deal, but it would be pretty funny at least. Oh, and Pyle is sharing his knowledge where you can like do quick go-throughs and so on.
Yeah, he's already, yeah. I think he's also pretty into speedrunning and such. I think it's Steve too, like rocket jumping and such. Is a big fan, so he's already like a fan of speed jumping. So I think we made him very happy by just letting him QA this game.
Congratulations to the release. Thank you very much, Oma Tana Spielt.
Have we gotten any more reviews? How much reviews are we?
I mean, it doesn't always update, but I'll take a look. Refresh.
The art interns weren't even here, like when we started the project. They were already long gone.
Yup.
With this, the idea for the game came to light about exactly a month ago. So
yeah, it was like, are we going to do this? We were like, yeah, sure. And the next day we started on it.
Thomas and Marnix invited me to a call. It's like, yeah, Marnix came up with a bad idea. Basically, it was just like a stupid idea, and Thomas was already into it as well. So it's like, we need you to talk us out of it. And then they pitched it. I was like, fuck yeah, let's do it.
But Marnix is such a stupid person for this, huh? Because literally the week before, we recorded a video where I said, I want to make a game like this. And then he calls me and he's like, Thomas, talk me out of this. I'm like, you know I want to make this game. What do you mean talk me out of this? Of course I'm going to say yes. And then, William failed us. That's true. We hoped he was the one to have common sense.
Yeah, and I just joined. It's like, yeah, sounds good. And both of them were like, no, you were supposed to stop us. Leaderboards, are they online yet?
Good question. But
nope,
I mean, it's not helping that no one is actually being able to finish the game so far because no one is good.
Yeah.
Like, I think at the moment, Pyle is still the only one on it, right?
Yeah, I don't think I've done it all since the reset.
I mean, also with your current time, you won't be setting any records, right?
Well, yeah, but that's that weight over there dragging me down. So I'm sorry, love you guys. I'm surprised you've been going at it for 40 minutes and you're still here. So,
did you get tax shelter for the game? I would love the Belgian taxpayers to pay for this. Sadly not.
No.
According to Steam achievements, 23.5% have finished. I mean, that's definitely a lie. Didn't update yet. No way. No way. I don't believe it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got our 10 reviews already. So thank you all so much. I mean, that it's not an excuse, by the way. If you bought a game, if you're playing it, if you're having fun, to actually do it. Like, you should keep doing it.
Thomas,
What?
there is something weird. It does say 23.5% of players have reached your destination, but only 5.8% has reached high rise.
What?
So is there an issue with the achievement?
How are people unlocking it then? What? No way.
All the Discord shout. Wait. Ah, you mean this one? That's Streamlabs. I didn't know it was streaming for you guys as well. Whoops.
What?
Yeah, it's weird
Cheetos
because
already? Imagine. But no, because there. I'll take a look at the leaderboard, but I don't think anyone has actually finished the game. Like, Pal is still the only one in the leaderboard. And that's our QA guy, the speedrunning person.
Yeah.
So, no. I don't either it's a Steam bug or it's or it's an oopsie from us. Sales update. Thing is, I think it only updates like every half an hour. So, and honestly, guys, I love you guys, but I won't be here for half an hour anymore. The stream won't last that long anymore. Mainly because, first of all, more and more people are leaving, indicating that they saw us release, they are happy, and also I am just hungry. So unless William, you wanna go solo or
No, I think we can slowly shut off so I can then actually play the game, put myself on the leaderboard.
Oh, you just want to be on the leaderboard.
Yeah, I can't play while streaming, of course, because then people.
Alright. Well, people don't see your screen anymore, so you can do whatever you want. They see your big ass face now, and I don't mean that you have a big face. I just mean you're like larger on stream.
Hi.
I didn't mean to be rude. I just got my pizza delivered by someone on a unicycle. Was it one of you guys? I wish. My ultimate dream for unicycle pizza time is that someone plays the game while riding a unicycle. Like, if I see that, it would be so funny. Like, make a YouTube video about it or something. It would be so funny. So, I really hope someone does it.
Is gonna Mesmer do it? Oh?
People cannot see it.
Oh? Ah, he fell off. Never mind.
In the end, it doesn't even matter.
Ooh, I'm gonna let Mulder Swift give another try on the pipe. If he falls off, I'm gonna leave the lobby.
They still cannot see it, by the way. They still see
Yeah, but
okay.
It's more for him.
Okay. Sorry, tech question in the middle of this. Are stream achievements easy to implement in a custom engine? In a custom engine, I have no clue.
Yeah, it depends. If you can just use the Steam API somehow, then it's easy. But you might have to write your own wrapper for that API.
Yeah, for example, if you custom engine, but it's in C#, easy. You can.
Oh, I think Mulder Swift's finally met. Oh, he said park. I'm gonna quickly follow him and gonna watch him fall in the water, and then I'll leave the lobby.
You're such a. Oh no, toxic barrels. No, I'm scared. If only you knew. Google is a good friend in this regard. Yeah, true, but in general, it's not that. It shouldn't be too hard if you can use a Steam API at least. So, I wish you the best. Congrats on the release. Love from Force VC. Thank you.
Fuck.
I assume it's a joke, cause elbow cuck. I count 23 reviews. It doesn't show on the store page yet, though. Last time I checked, it was still 12. If you guys did 23, you guys are legends.
Oh, Mulder Swift got back to the start, so I think he died in park.
I mean, I think Inex died. He wrote it in all caps. I think he's very happy and he's not regretting his life choices and he's totally zen. Yeah, the game is a bit frustrating. I hope you enjoyed the part to get there, because you'll have to get there once again. So yeah, William, we're going to wrap things up. Are you?
Yo.
Do you want to do the finishing touches? Anything you want to say?
Buy the game, like the game, review the game.
And
sub to us on YouTube if you haven't yet somehow.
And if you want to see more of us, 14 minutes ago, a new video released. We did it a bit later today. So guys, go watch us. It's us at Gamescom asking a whole lot of people their best top tips for game dev. So it has like amazing quality. You can hear like, what is your number one tip for beginning game devs, and you have like 100 people answer it for you. So you can just see if you can find any new cool things to learn. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for buying. Thank you so much for reviewing. Thank you so much for the fun time we had here today in stream. And I really hope that you guys have fun. And I hope to see you guys tomorrow at the buy stream, where Marix and I will be hosting it. And we will have a big unicycle fiasco probably, but hey, it's going to be fun. Yeah, you can change the sensitivity, by the way. Anyway, guys, thank you so much.
Wait. If you have any more like suggestion, feedback, bug reports, Discord channel. We have specific channels for Unicycle Pizza Time. You need to be you have the playtest role, and then you'll just see it, and then you can,
Yeah. So feedback, Discord, YouTube. You can go watch a cool new video, and tomorrow we hope to see you guys again, either on Twitch, either on YouTube, whatever you prefer for the Byte stream. Thank you so much once again, and see you guys next time. Bye.